Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, back with another tutorial/review of the SEMRUSH tools and features. So today, as with the previous videos that we have been making, we're going to talk about the tools that are under the SEO category, and specifically the Backlink Audit tool, which is an extension of the Backlink Analytics tool as well, the one we have previously done, and it's part of the link building features of the tools from SEMRUSH. So if you don't know yet, we're using a free trial account here because we want to first sample, or my goal is to give those who are curious about SEMRUSH an idea of how the tool works, even though there are very significant limitations when using a free trial account, but no worries, it will still allow us to go through all of them and see what they can do and what we can expect from them. So yeah, so much for that. Let's go on ahead and talk about the Backlink Audit tool. So basically what it does is it monitors your backlink profile's health and it gets rid of toxic backlinks that hurt your ranking. So we all know, I've said this over and over again, we all know how important backlinks are to any business or any business that is operating online, because these backlinks are the ones bringing in traffic from other websites. So it's just very crucial to know or to have the best ones out there. And with this tool, you would be able to figure out if that backlink is doing good or it's hurting your business, which is the total opposite of what you want to go for. Alright, so as with the other tools that we have made, or the previous videos that we have made about different tools of SEMRUSH, we went through all of these information so that we can have an idea of what this tool does. So basically from this one, it has a toxicity meter. So it shows the toxicity score of every backlink, as well as helps you weed out harmful links with the built-in cleanup workflow, and keeping track of your backlink profile updates with this feature. So why is it important? As you can see here, it talks a lot about how the SEO game is changing and what Google is doing, and how it affects the ranking system, because it's like every day that Google does something different. So having this tool with on your team will allow you to have a better and deeper insight about how you can rank better or have better backlinks for your business or for your web page. So here are just some questions or just some answers about different important factors that you want to know about when working with this tool. So here you see it helps you get all of your backlink data in one place, connects your Google Search Console. This is like the other tool that we did previously, where it connects Google Analytics and Google Search Console into that tool so that you can import those information or the data from there into this tool. And then here, new link building opportunities, easy monitoring and lost links recovery, ongoing monitoring. It just helps you keep up with the changes in your backlink profiles and helps you to respond accordingly so that you can filter out those that are doing your website harm. And then, yeah, so that's it for the information that we need to know about this tool. Let's go ahead and sample it now. So, as always, I'm going to be using Serpwizz, and I'm just gonna hit that Start Backlink Audit. Oh, so we need to set this up. This is one of the widgets. I get it now. So this is one of the widgets that we get from the project dashboard. I'm just gonna let you see what that looks like. So here you go. Here is how a project's dashboard looks like. So as you can see here, I already have a project ongoing, which is Serpwizz, of course, and then clicking on that, you'd be able to see some widgets that are still needed to be set up. So here you go. Here is where Backlink Audit is, and you have to set it up. By clicking that, it's just gonna lead you to a pop-up window. It's the same as this one. So this is where we got cut off earlier, and here you see it asks you to select a campaign scope. So is it a root domain, and so on and so forth. And then brand settings, specify your brand name, serpwizz.com. Added the brand names, and then domain categories. Just select what your business is all about, or your web page is all about, and then as well as the target countries. So doing that, I'm just gonna quickly add or tweak this domain categories. So when I click start the backlink audit, it led me to this page, and it's just doing some checks. Right here you can see the progress, and then here remember when we were viewing the information about the tool, I mentioned about a toxicity meter or score, and this is where you'd be able to see it. But in order to have that feature on, you would have to connect your Google Search Console into this tool. And yeah, let's just wait for this to finish, and I'll be right back when this is done. So currently we're still having the checks done. As you can see, we're on the last stretch now, so hopefully we'll be done soon. I've been timing it. It seems we have been going for about half an hour now, so I hope that it will be done soon so that we can see the results. But until then, I'm just gonna let this go, and I'll be back. And finally, the backlink audit has been completed, and it says here that they have only analyzed the first top 500 backlinks for every referring domain that they have found. So maybe this is a limitation, since like I've said, we are using a free trial account. So there's that, but at least we're able to see how it looks like, or how the process is done. So here you can see the following results for the different metrics: referring domains, potentially toxic domains. So that's good to know that it's quite low overall. Yeah, we can see here its overall toxicity score is low, and as well as these. Let's hit on the go to results button, and here we'll be able to see a better view of the results that is a product of that check that this backlink audit tool had done. So I'm just gonna go through it quickly. Overall, okay, so there's that. It's pretty much the same as what we saw with the pop-up page. And then here, if you want to track your backlink profile health, then you would have to get a free pro trial. We're just using a free trial account, so it's different from a free pro trial. And if you want to subscribe, then definitely go over and see their plans and pricing. So those are the results that we are able to get. Very comprehensive, very easy, very straight to the point. And totally worth the wait time, I would say. Alright, so that is it actually for Backlink Audit. If you want to use this tool for yourself, maybe for your to check on your website, then you're free, of course, to sign up for an account here in SEMRUSH and use the tools for yourself. Okay, so that is it. We're gonna be doing a lot more on the next videos that we will be uploading on this channel, so we would highly appreciate if you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to comment as well if you have any or if you found this tutorial/review helpful. And until then, this has been Natalie from Serpwizz. Thank you guys so much for watching.